Hello, I'm Dr. Polina Krasanova from Medical Center MUSE here in Sofia. One of the most common questions we receive from our patients is: are stem cells therapies safe? Are they effective? And is there solid scientific evidence supporting their use? The short answer is yes. In our clinical practice, we use two types of stem cells: mesenchymal stem cells, MSCAR, and MUSE stem cells. Both have an excellent safety profile, but there is an important difference between them. MUSE cells are significantly more resistant to the harsh environment found in the damaged or inflamed tissues. They maintain their regenerative activity even under stressful conditions, making them highly effective in supporting tissue repair. MSCAR also have a well-established safety profile and proven therapeutical potential. However, comparing to MUSE cells, they are generally less resistant to adverse conditions within the body. Both types of stem cells promote regenerative through complex cell-to-cell communication. They release biological signals that help damaged tissues activate their own natural repair mechanisms, supporting regenerative not only on the cellular level but also at the subcellular level. This includes positive effects on mitochondria, the structures inside our cells responsible for production of energy. Another important question concerns safety. These cells have very low immunogenicity, meaning they are highly unlikely to trigger an unwanted immune response. As a result, the risk of immune incompatibility or severe allergic reaction is extremely low. Equally important, the stem cells we use are non-tumorological. Based on the current scientific evidence, they do not transform into cancer cells. Once administered, these cells either contribute directly to tissue repair or continue supporting regeneration by releasing signaling molecules that stimulates the body's own healing process. That is why modern stem cell therapy often two key advantages: a strong regenerative potential combined with a high level of safety.